we construct a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at A with AB 3 centimeter and BC equal to 5 centimeter. We take a ruler and draw a line segment that measures 3 centimeter. Label the end point of line segment is A, B, and we obtain a line segment AB that measures 3 centimeter. That acts as the base of the right angle triangle. Next, we want to draw angle A that measures right angle or 90 degree. To do so, we take a compass and locate the center of compass to the point A. And then we draw a circular arc. Do not change the radius and draw a number of circular arc. We draw second, third, fourth, and then fifth. Join the intersection point of last two circular arc with the point A. Now we want to draw BC that measures 5 centimeter. For that purpose, we take a ruler and a compass. Adjust the radius of compass to measure 5 centimeter. Locate the center of compass to the point B and draw a circular arc that intersects the perpendicular. Of course, the circular arc is of radius 5 centimeter, and so the distance between B and the intersection point must be equal to 5 centimeter. Join the point B and the intersection point. Label the intersection point as point C, and we obtained right angle triangle ABC with right angle at A, side AB measuring 3 centimeter and side BC measuring 5 centimeter. Of course, we can erase the excess line that we have drawn if we like.